Prophet peace be upon him states that there was once a prostitute who was crossing by a desert when she came across a dog who out of thirst was licking the sand of the desert. In love for that dog, the prostitute took out her shoe and threw it into the well and took water out through her shoe, and as a result of that act of that prostitute who spent her entire life in the commission of sins, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave her and blessed her with the gardens of paradise. And similarly, the Holy Prophet peace be upon him also states about a woman who left her cat to starve and ate her cave and made her cat to starve in such a condition that she was in a cage and was not even able to eat the ants or the worms nearby. As a result, that cat died, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala threw that woman into the hell. So my friends, the Holy Prophet peace be upon him taught us through this example that how should the generosity be. That woman, that prostitute, was committing sins entire life, yet her one act of generosity enabled her to enter the gardens of paradise. The Holy Prophet peace be upon him in such a way made sure that the age of ignorance be finished and the age of bliss and of the blessed people be started.